Hello dear children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now according as before I given you parts of speech, I taught already. According to parts of speech, the first step is our noun. Let us start today noun. Here, first of all, definition. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. It also includes our feelings. Example are here: Lokesh, Radford, Yamuna, childhood. These are the few example of the noun generally. Now I am going to explain you parts of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. First of all is here proper noun. Okay guys, a proper noun is the particular name of any person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun is a particular name of any person, place or thing. Here guys, I am not saying for the journal name. Here I am saying particular. Now you have to understand particular name. A particular name is given by us, our family. Otherwise we are going to our pet animals. As per here we can write Rahul. We can write Rita. We can write Lucknow. And extra. These are the particular name. Now, the special thing I am going to tell you about of the proper noun. It always written with capital letter. Yes guys, you can notice here, that's why I underline Rita R, Lucknow L, Rahul R. All are the first letter is capital. That's why, because here are particular name, a particular name always written with the capital letter. You have to remember it. It is very compulsory. We have to remember. Now second one. Second one is common noun. A common noun is the common name. Common noun is the common name of any person, place or thing of its class. A common noun is the common name of any person, place or thing of its class. Example, I am saying why. Here I say Rahul. Rahul is a particular name. What I say why, then I don't know that which one why is there. Okay, I don't know particular name of the why. I say here Here I write Lucknow. I know the particular name Lucknow, Delhi, Bareilly, that's but here written city. I don't know the particular name of a city. City is the common. Any one city can be there. That's why it is common noun. I say river. Guys, there are many rivers. Ganga, Yamuna, Gangotri, Brahmaputra. We don't know here which one river I am saying about. Here is only river. That's why it is common noun. Now let's start third one. Third one is collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun is the name of collection of persons, places or things. Here, collective noun is the name of collection of persons, places or things. I am not saying one. I am saying collection. Okay. Here, animals also collection can be. Here, as per I am writing example. Bundle. It is a collection of stick. If there is one stick, I am saying stick. There are many stick. I am saying bundle of stick. Collection of the stick is called bundle. I am saying shoal. The collection of fish. Collection of fish is called shoal. I am saying herd. Herd is the collection of animals. There is a herd of the animal. Herd is the collection of animals. If I am saying animal, that is a common noun. I am keeping the name of animal. I am saying Tommy, that is the proper noun. But I am saying herd. Means there will be many animals, one not. Okay, dear guys. Now, with it, I am going to explain you fourth one. And the fourth one is there, material noun. Material noun. You know guys, our class is going to be very easy and you can understand it very easily with it. A material noun is the name of matter or substance. Hanji guys, with the name, according to the name you can understood. A material noun is the name of matter or substances. I am not going to talk about of the person. I am going to talk about the matter, substances. They are the solid, liquid, gas, any type of can be. Example I am telling you here. Iron, oil, water, milk, gold. These are the few examples of the material noun at extra. Okay guys. Now according this I am going to start fifth one. And that also you can understood very easily. And now the fifth one is here. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. And abstract noun is the name of are feelings. Very easy. And austic noun is the name of our feelings, our action, ideas, state, test as, and extra. Very easily you can understand here. An austic noun is the name of our feelings, ideas, action. Now this is your feeling little bit difficult. No. Now it is not difficult. I am going to explain very easily with an austic. Austic means anything, any idea, any state that we can't touch, can't see, only can feel. That is abstract, means that is not present to us. Suppose I am talking about a Reta, means ki anyone got present front of us, I can see, I can touch. I am talking about of the water, milk, gold, I can see, I can touch. But abstract noun example I am going to tell here. Childhood, bravery, honest, and extra. These are the example of the austic noun. Dear guys, can you see your childhood? You can feel only your childhood, but you can't see. You can recall your childhood, but you can't see. Okay guys? Now, I hope that you understood this very easily. Now, I am going to explain this with the help of 5 examples. But before giving example, I want to remind this again. A noun is the name of a particular person, animal, or thing. It includes our feelings. Also in the austic noun there are coming our feelings. Now there are the 5 types of the noun. First of all, there is proper noun. Then there is common noun. In the proper noun there is a particular name, the main name. Or now in the common noun or general class name. As per I say animal. Animal, there are the many animal. I say lion, I say dog, I say ring. But if there is not given the name of dog, that is common noun. I given the name of the dog Tommy, that is proper noun. Proper noun is the special thing that it always begin with the capital letter. Remember, proper noun always begin with the capital letter. Now let us see collective noun. Collective noun is the name of a collection. I am saying a soul of the fish. I am saying the heart of the animal, then heart, bucket of the flowers. Then that is collective noun. A class of students. Class is the collective noun. There are the many students. Now fourth one, material. Material means substance are coming there. Material and substance is coming. Iron, these wood, water, milk, gold. These all are the material noun. Now austic noun is a noun that in this noun they are the coming the things, our feelings, our action, our ideas. Here example also I have given childhood, bravery, and many other example. You can go through that. Now here I am going to explain you with the example. Few 5 sentences. It is a little bit your practice also. Shuman, comma, my best friend. Shuman, comma, my best friend, comma, lives in Delhi. Suman, comma, my best friend lives in Delhi. Here guys, you have to find out noun. Suman, Delhi, friend. Suman, Delhi, friend. 3 noun are here, but Suman is the special name. Okay, friend. I don't know here name given, then you can understood. No, friend is my Suman. But here Delhi, also particular name I given. Here also particular name I given. Friend, here is no particular name. Then you can't understood. If name given, then only you understood. Otherwise you don't know out of the friend. Now it is because particular name, proper noun, common noun, friend, anyone can be. It is proper noun. There is a herd of animals. Yeah, guys, here also herd, animals. Herd, it is a group of animals, that's why collective noun. Collective nouns. It is animals. I don't know which one animals are there. Okay, that's why common nouns. Next, I have a chair made up of wood. Now here, chair, I don't know. I'm not giving here name of the chair. Wood, that is the substance. Then chair, common noun, and wood, material noun. Now, I remember my childhood. I remember my childhood. Childhood. I don't see. I have felt that, but I don't see my childhood. Okay, I felt that. Now I remember. Then it is a strict noun. Okay, guys. I hope you understood now. Noun very easily. If you like my video, you have to share it, you have to subscribe it, and also give comment. That's very compulsory. Like that, if you want anything, any type of else, I can make like that videos on the topic, same topic I can make. Okay, good luck, carry on study.